Welcome back to Midday Kentucky, everyone. Well, we are featuring food trucks all summer long here on Midday Kentucky, and today I am a lucky girl because I get to hang out with Buddy Hasty, and he is the owner of Buddy's world famous food truck. Welcome to the show, Buddy.
Hi, thanks for having us.
Now let me ask you, first of all, what kind of food do you feature here with your food truck?
Well, we like to do a little bit of everything. We started off with the chili, and we started out in a winter, so we were doing a couple different soups, and then we just found different ways to use the chili. But now we can add chicken to our grilled cheese sandwiches, and we do just all kinds of different stuff. We've got Frito Pie and gourmet chili dog and salads and wraps and everything. So
wow, what is a Frito Pie? I've never heard of that.
So we actually did this one more of like a taco salad style. So a lot of people call it a walking taco.
Okay.
We used to do them in the little Fritos bags. You put the cheese and the chili and stuff, and then that one's got lettuce, tomatoes, sour cream, and anything with the chili always gets cilantro and a lime wedge because it just sets the chili off perfectly. So it's not a chili like you've ever had before. There's no ground beef in it. There's like chunks of chuck roast and bacon. There's no noodles, no beans. So it's just really meat and tomatoes and veggies, and it's really good on anything we put it on, or by the cup or the bowl when it cools down a little.
Wow, that is fantastic. It sounds so good. Now, what is this over here?
This is a special we've been doing. We haven't even got it on the actual permanent menu yet, but those are our barbecue chicken fries, and we also do them in buffalo. So basically, we season the fries. Each one has their own dry seasoning, whether it's the buffalo or the barbecue, and then the chicken will get tossed in a wet sauce. We put the chicken over the fries and then top it with ranch and chopped bacon.
Delicious. Oh my gosh, anything with bacon, you
really
got me. I know, exactly. So, okay, do you also, what is your background? Do you cater also with this?
We do a little bit of smaller catering events. We like to do office parks and factories and stuff like that. So if you have an office complex, maybe 30 to 50 people, or we can come out and serve get everybody like a fresh cooked lunch. It's really, really good.
Wow, and when did you start the food truck here?
We actually started in March of last year, so we've been going for, this is our second season. We've been going for about 14, 15 months. So we closed this past winter, but we're going to try and make it through winter this year, try and do some more catering and stuff like that. So.
Yeah. Gotcha. And what's your background? What background did you have before starting this?
I've been in food service my whole life. I tried to sell cars for a week, and I tried to do construction for a week, and that was about all I lasted in either one of them. So it's been food service my whole life. So I just wanted to do it for myself, and not have somebody else telling me what I could and couldn't do. Absolutely.
Sounds like a great job. And you know what? It sounds like it's working out pretty well for you right now, huh?
It's hot. It's hot. I'll tell you, it's been going good, but it's sometimes I wonder what I was thinking when I get in here and it's 95 degrees outside and it's 115 inside. I wonder what I was thinking, but yeah, it's working out really good. It's a lot of fun.
Well, good. Okay, now, how do people get in touch with you? How would our viewers that want to be able to catch your truck, how do they get in touch?
Yeah, absolutely. So we're on all the social media. The Facebook and Instagram is going to be at Buddy's World Famous, and the Twitter is at Bud's World Famous. We ran out of characters. The website is www.buddysworldfamous.com, and it'll have links to all the social media. It's got my phone number on it. You can sign up for our email list. You can send us an email. But basically anything you need, you can get to it from the website, and that's just www.buddysworldfamous.com.
Awesome. Thank you so much for being here. We really appreciate it. And we will be right back right after this short break. Keep it right here on Midday Kentucky.